may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
So, I just got some bad news. Because right now my boyfriend's car is in the shop, so I drove my CRV and he was in my Honda Beat, and I got a phone call saying that a guy pulled up in front of him and essentially wrecked the car. I'm on my way there now to see the damages, and I can no longer go to the car meet coming up for the K rally. I am shaken up, so I'm afraid of what I'm about to see. I don't know. Holy shit. Heart is still beating.
Might need to pull on it at the same time there.
Eek. Oh, that's not coming up.
That's the front bumper.
No.
Where all the tabs were and shit.
Yeah, that's all. So I'm trying to assess the damage, and it is so hard to look at it right now. Even like after a week. So let's check it out. It's crazy how this wiper blade was pretty much holding the pressure from this, like, actually hitting. But what does suck is it stopped it, so that essentially it pushed pressure on this and caused this to crack, ruining a perfect $1,000 windshield. Hood is fucked. Headlight is fucked. Yeah, it, like, you can see it push the core support inwards. And obviously right here, all of this is not straight anymore. So. Probably gonna take this off and put it on the wall. This thing has had some issues. I think I lost the housing to this. So that's lovely, because I was just missing this piece on the other side. But now the whole thing is missing. Goodness. Engine still runs beautiful. But what is this? Oh, it's just dirt. God. Like, I just got so once that got taken off, of course the pressure released off, and we were kind of able to, you know, kind of open it, whatever. Look at this. God, like, I will give more footage on actually kind of taking the car apart. We're still waiting on insurance to make a decision, and I don't know, it might be a total loss just because it costs way too much to ship anything, any kind of parts from Japan for this specific car. But yeah, once I get all that, yeah. Until next time.
Cage Ride Award for our second rally is the Yellow Meat Owner.